All right, so what we have here is going to be your task for the unit. Your task is basically for you to show me what you do and do not know, and it's going to count as a test grade. So make sure you do what you need to in order to do well on this. I am going to give you several days to get this done. If you have any specific questions, you need to ask me. But as you can see here, you have several different steps you need to go through. You have 10 steps, okay? And you're going to draw everything right here on this coordinate grid. And if you want to go above and beyond, you can actually color whatever the image is at the end. But if you see right here on the corner, it says grading 10 points per direction step. That is correct, totaling a whole 100 points. Okay, so looking at just these steps real quick, if you read each and every one as you go through, it should be pretty easy to at least get through 1 through 5, should be the super easier ones, and then going on 6 through 10 may be a little tricky. So the very first thing you're going to do is draw a circle with a radius of 10. Remember, a radius is looking back at your graph. Remember, a radius is going to be halfway for a circle. So what should you have? A circle to start with. Okay, and the radius is 10 for each side. So if you count those, that should be 10. Yes. And then the next, it says make a triangle from coordinates 3, 4, 5, 4, and 4, 6. So you literally are going to graph that triangle. Okay? That is number 2. And then now we're moving on to 8th grade material. It says you're going to reflect the triangle from step 2 across the y-axis. Here's your y-axis, okay? So if it's over here, you go over here. If it's over here, you go over here. And the same thing here. Those are little hints. And then you're going to translate the original triangle, and then you're going to make a third triangle. 4 units, excuse me, left 4 units, and down 3. Okay, and then 5, you're drawing a segment. Remember, a segment is part of a line. Okay, and I gave you that hint on here. And it gives you the coordinates and the end. So those segments are going to help you start drawing something else. Okay, and then you're going to reflect the segment from step 5 across the y-axis. This will all make sense once you start putting everything down on your graph over here. And then you will take the following segments and connect them. So you're going to connect 3, -3, and 7, -2 together, and then so on. And then you will draw a bow in coordinate 2. You will see what that is. I'm not a great drawer either, but you get the concept once you get your image going here. Okay? And then you are going to rotate the bow 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise. Okay, and place it where it typically goes. You'll kind of get where a bow goes once you see the image. And then last, you will draw a tooth using the grid lines. What I mean is you're drawing on the actual lines, the grid lines. And then you will dilate it by 2. So you'll have a smaller tooth and a bigger tooth. You will know what I'm saying once you get to that point. Once again, if you have any questions or concerns, you reach out to me. Good luck and have fun. If you have time and patience, please color it. That may make up for 1 or 2 of these if you don't get them right. Good luck. Have fun.